Hi, good evening to all of you. Hope you all are doing well. Good evening, all of you. Can you hear my voice? Am I audible to all of you? Okay, ma'am. Hope you all are doing well. Okay, may God bless you and give you a good and healthy and successful life. Okay, so now today is our first class of Python. So be responsive, always be responsive to your trainer. Whatever I am saying to you, please be active and be in a communicative way with me. Okay, be free and be frank with me. If you know anything, you can say yes ma'am, or if you don't know anything, you can say simply no ma'am. Okay, but don't just keep quiet in the class ma'am. Okay, so I want to start today's my Python class with a small poetry. Can I? Okay ma'am, sure. Thank you so much ma'am. So welcome future coders in Python space, where every challenge is a chance to embrace. If you are just starting, no need to fear. Welcome to our code adventure, crystal clear. To all students, big cheers and delight. You have joined our Python journey, shining so bright. May each line of code bring joy and cheer. So students, be ready for this coding fun. Welcome to the Python, let the adventure begin. Okay, hope you have understood the poetry. So I welcome you all from the bottom of my heart. Okay dear? You're welcome. So now this is CloudInfotech Training Hub, AWS Python, the most demanded combination that we have bring to our students. We are learning Python programming level 1 by Jweria Muhammad, myself, under the guidance of CloudInfotech Solutions, training, projects and jobs. Okay, so now before starting a class, let me introduce you what the agenda of the day 1. First, we'll distribute the meeting in the minutes. Okay, first the meeting will be in the thanks and warm welcome. I'll welcome you all within the 3 minutes. Let me introduce myself within 3 minutes, and I'll take some student brief for 20 minutes. Okay, then whatever we are going to learn in our Python, we'll see the modules. What are the modules? We'll give it at least 25 minutes. Okay ma? Yeah, very good. Thank you ma. Thanks a lot for the response. So thanks and warm welcome. I'm glad to see all in this program. It's a fantastic opportunity for you to dive into two of the most sought after technologies in the IT industries over the coming days. Okay, you will gain valuable insights, practical skills and hands-on experience that will set you on a path becoming proficient in AWS as well as in Python. So are you ready with us to dive in the programming with Python? Are you all ready ma? It's good to see you all. Yeah. It's good to see you all on time, because so many sisters are there that they have joined before the meet. They are waiting there. I'm so happy to see you that you have so many courage to learn this Python program. Alhamdulillah. Now we have ready to kick off our regular classes, both in the offline and online sessions. So shall we begin? First, let me introduce myself. Okay dear. let me introduce myself. My name is Jueria Muhammad and I am your Python programming language trainer. And I have conducted both an online and offline classes in the past. I might not have as much expertise as our supervisor. As you know, Mr. Muhammad Akbar, he is having 15 plus years experience in the IT field, whether we have only 5 plus experience. Okay, and my proficiency includes database management with MySQL and Python. And I am eager to explore data analytics and Tableau and AI. Okay, so this is my short introduction to you. But now I want something from you. Okay, so please feel free to talk with me. Okay, don't hesitate, don't keep quiet, because whenever you are gaining the knowledge, if you are keeping quiet, then you will not get the knowledge. Okay, so be responsive and please feel free to talk with me. Once again, I'll thank you all for joining the class. So let me understand about everyone. Now I'll take a short brief info from your side. Can I, ma? Okay, dear. So please switch off the mics whenever one person is talking. Please, the other person should switch off the mic. One by one should start the introduction. Okay, dear? So now here my side, I am seeing whom. Let me introduce Amreen Bushra. Let me understand about everyone, ma, that what you are studying or you are doing job or you have done any program kind of in earlier in your past. Okay, one by one please give your introduction. So number one is what? Amreen Bushra. Please open your mic, Amreen. Yeah, dear. Tell me about yourself, Amreen. Please tell me, ma. What's your name? It's this Amreen. Amreen, this is your name, Amreen. Feel free to talk with me, ma. Don't be hesitate. Okay, Amreen, are you there? Can you hear me, Amreen? Okay, no worries. Bhagya. All should have to give their introduction, ma. Okay, don't keep quiet. Good evening, Bhagya. How are you, Bhagya? Thanking God, Bhagya. I am also well. Thanks a lot. Now, tell me about yourself. Okay. 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 Okay, great. So now you are the student, Bhagya. Okay, dear. You have, you know about IT. You are related to IT. That means, okay. Right. Okay. So right now you are a student and you are learning BTech third year. Okay, great, Bhagya. Nice meeting you, Bhagya. Then after Bhagya, Farha Yasmin. Can you tell me your side, ma? Good evening, Farha. How are you, Farha? Alhamdulillah, fine, dear. Thank you. Thanks a lot, Jazakallah. Tell me about yourself. Okay. Okay, great. Great, Farha. Wonderful. Nice meeting you, Farha. Welcome to CloudInfotech, Farha. And after Farha, Farheen is there. Farheen, let me introduce yourself, Farheen, please. Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Farheen, how are you, Farheen? कैसी हैं आप? I'm also fine, ma. Alhamdulillah, Jazakillah khairan kaseera. Let me introduce yourself. Oh, great. You are working in Amazon. Wonderful. Welcome to CloudInfotech, Farheen. And Farisa. Farisa, please open your mic, ma. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Mm-hmm. Wonderful. MashaAllah. 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 Inshallah, you will learn. Yeah. Inshallah, definitely you will learn, dear. Inshallah. Jazakallah khairan kasira. Welcome to Cloud Infotech. You're welcome. Now, Faria, please. You're welcome, dear. Faria, please open your mic, dear. Hello, Faria. Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. How are you, dear? I'm also fine, thanks, Alhamdulillah. Tell me. Yeah, please. No worries, no worries. Okay. You will learn so much, because in the earlier batch we have the students so much they don't know anything about the programming or AWS, but when they have finished their batch now, they became perfect. You all are the, what should I say, you are the hidden gems. All have some wonderful achievements inside us, क्योंकि हम कुछ कर सकते हैं, हम छुपे हुए हैं, हम आपको बस बाहर लाने की जरूरत है. Is it? I hope from all of you, I hope the same from all of you. You will get something to know. And Humaira Yasmin, can I know something from you, your side, ma? Walaikum assalam, Humaira. How are you, dear? Alhamdulillah. Thank you, Humaira. Okay, great. Wonderful to meet you. Welcome to CloudInfotech Solutions. Nargis? Ameen bhaiya ki assalamu alaikum. Nargis? Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Nargis? How are you, Nargis? Alhamdulillah. Fine, ma. Thanks, Jazakallah. Oh, great. Great, wonderful, nice to meet you. All the students are the graduates here. Some are from MBA, some are from graduations. Mashallah. May Allah give you huge success. Ameen. Next, please open your mic, ma. Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Welcome, Habiba. How are you, Habiba? I'm also fine, Habiba. Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much. Okay, great, wonderful. Okay, mashallah. Okay, dear. Okay, mashallah. Thank you for joining this course, Habiba. Welcome to CloudInfotech Solutions. Now, Rajeshwari. You're welcome, dear. Rajeshwari. Rajeshwari, are you there, dear? Can you hear me? Okay, no worries. I'll call Rajeshwari later on. Sabah Tabassum, please open your mic, dear. Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good evening, dear Sabah. How are you, Sabah? Alhamdulillah. Thank you. Jazakallah khairan kaseera. I'm also good, dear. Oh. Mashallah. Great. Wonderful. So currently you are a housewife. Okay, dear. No worries. You will get something from here also. Welcome to CloudInfotech Solutions. Jazakallah khairan kaseera. Now, Samina Kausar. Can you open your mic, Samina, please? Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear. Mashallah. Wonderful. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mashallah, mashallah, great. Inshallah, you will learn. Inshallah, inshallah, you will learn, and you will get good opportunity in your future also. Inshallah. Welcome to CloudInfotech, Samina, and you're welcome, dear. Sana Mariam, can you please open your mic, Sana? Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, Sana? Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Great. Great, wonderful. Great, wonderful to hear this, Sana. Great, great. Inshallah. 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 Mm-hmm. Yeah, definitely you will become AWS programmer, AWS engineer if you will work hard. All of you. If you will, then it will pay for you. If you will not, then it will not pay for you. Okay? So, inshallah, you will become. I hope so. And Sarah, can you please open your mic, Sarah? Let you introduce Sarah. Where is Sarah Ali? Okay, dear. Speak up, please. Is there any issue, ma, that you can't unable to speak? Because I am seeing that you are opening your mic, Sarah. Okay. Sayyid Yusuf, I am seeing here. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Sayyida Moin Sultana. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Mashallah. Oh, no worries, no worries. Mm-hmm. Yeah, inshallah, you will learn more. Okay. Yeah, you want to become an independent woman. Inshallah, you will become. Inshallah, inshallah. Welcome to CloudInfotech Solutions, Sayyida Moin Sultana. Okay, be frank. No worries. Whatever you want to say, you can say to me because we all are females here. Okay, nobody. Hi, Rajeshwari. Hi, Rajeshwari. Okay. Okay, dear. No worries, no worries. How are you, Rajeshwari? Yeah, you can, please. Great, wonderful. Okay, dear. Okay, dear. Welcome to CloudInfotech Solutions, Rajeshwari. Because you are waiting from so many days, I think, for this course, actually, right? Okay. Welcome to CloudInfotech Solutions, dear. So, who are left now? Sarah is there. Sarah, please open your mic. Sarah Ali. Let you introduce yourself to us, please, ma. Sarah. I think the same issue is going on with her also. And who didn't introduce, please raise your hand, open your mic and let speak, ma, because now we all are one family. Okay, so family members will discuss each other. Okay, there is no hesitation in between the family members. So feel free to speak with me. I am with you, because in the earlier batch I am having such a lovely students that they became like friends, and I hope the same from you too also. Okay, so now inshallah it's okay. Somebody is joining now. So Yara, Shrisha, are you there? Please introduce yourself. Okay, my mic is having some. Okay, dear. Okay, your mic is having some problem. No worries. We'll continue the class. Okay, so a very warm welcome to all of you. Thank you for giving your introduction. Okay, so now we'll move on to our technical introduction to Python. Okay, see, Python programming modules. What is this Python programming modules? It means that we have divided Python into some modules, into some parts. Like the students in the schools have some subjects, likewise English, science. So in their readers they have the first page there, index, in the form of index, and they are having some lesson names. Likewise in Python also we are having some modules. We are dividing the Python into 9 modules here. Okay, ma? What do you mean by modules? You have to know first. Modules means chapters or lessons. In Python we'll say it as a module. What is Python mean? Python is a programming language. Understood, ma? So in the first module, what you are going to learn? You are going to learn about the introduction to the programming and coding. What do you mean by programming and what is coding? And in the second module, you are going to learn regarding to the installation of Python and IDE use case. Okay, when you are going to learn this module, now I'll explain you in details what is the IDE means. Okay, now just I want to show you that we have divided Python into 9 modules, and the third module is building block of basic Python programming. That means how you can start writing your programming step by step. Okay, what is the basic block of writing the programming? And in the fourth module we'll see working with data types. See ma, here, working with data types, variables, built-in functions. Now don't go in beneath of the what is data types, what is variable, built-in function. Okay, no need to worry. I'll explain you in details when these lessons will come. Now I'll explain you at that time. But just now to show you that we have divided this in the 9 modules. And the fifth module is what? Python functions, built-in and custom. Built-in means which have already developed in Python, and custom means which the programmer will develop, is called the custom. And the sixth module is Python code control flow. That means how you can control the flow of code. Means if you want to stop the coding, so what is the way of controlling the flow there. And in the seventh module we'll see Python built-in modules and customs. And in the 8th we'll see Python file handling. What do you mean by file handling? And in the 9th and the last module we'll see Python file exceptions. Yeah ma, please Faria. I think it's Faria na, right? Sabah. Yeah Sabah, please tell me dear. Yama, very good Sabah. See here, I am having a little difference here. See ma, here in the 5th I am saying Python functions built-in custom, but here I am saying Python built-in modules. Functions is different and modules is different. Okay dear? So when you are going to learn related to the function, I will tell you what is functions, and when you are going to learn related to the modules, I will tell you what is the meaning of module actually. Okay, these both are the different things. Understood Sabah? 9th one जो है हमारा है file exceptions. ठीक है, 9th one है file exceptions. Understood ma? 8th वन इज पाइथन फाइल हैंडलिंग। ये है हमारा 8th मॉड्यूल, पाइथन फाइल हैंडलिंग किसको बोलते हैं हम देखेंगे। ठीक है, अभी इसके डीप में हमको नहीं जाना है, अभी हमको सिर्फ ये देख ले, सरसरी तौर पे देखना है, हमको सिर्फ एक नजर फेरना है उसके ऊपर से, चीजों के ऊपर से, कि भाई आपके ये 9 मॉड्यूल्स है, इसी के रिलेटेड आपको पढ़ाया जाएगा आपके पाइथन में। अंडरस्टूड या समझ में? हाँ, मॉड्यूल्स में चैप्टर्स को बोलते हैं। मैं वही बोली ना अभी के जब हम सब्जेक्ट वाइज पढ़ते हैं हम कोई लेसन्स, तो एक नोटबुक रहती, देखिए रीडर रहती, उसमें एक इंडेक्स रहता, यू विल से द इंडेक्स देयर, और वहां पर इंडेक्स में एक लेसन्स वाइज नेम्स लिखे हुए रहते। तो अब हम क्या करते हैं, पाइथन में भी ऐसे ही रहते से, लेकिन पाइथन में इसको चैप्टर्स नहीं बोलेंगे हम, पाइथन में इसको बोलेंगे हम मॉड्यूल्स। ठीक है, पाइथन में इसको बोलेंगे हम मॉड्यूल्स। अब ये मॉड्यूल्स के बारे में मैं आपको एक नेम, उसके टॉपिक्स है ना मॉड्यूल्स के, मैं आपको वो बताई टॉपिक्स। ओके, सो डू एनीबडी हैव एनी डाउट्स हियर? They can ask me freely, ma. No doubts? Okay, what about others? Okay. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. So, the 8 FAQs that will come in every mind, because when some students are they are talking with me while related to this AWS and Python, when you are inquiring, Nama, you are also getting some questions in your mind. You will ask me, ma'am, I am from non-IT field. Is it possible to join me this Python and AWS? So some of the 8 FAQs that approximately come in every mind that I have mentioned here. Who is programmer and developer? Number 1. Is any computer knowledge required to do Python? Number 3 is there good salary and growth in Python programming? Number 4 is, can any graduate can apply for this job? Number 5, how developer develops new software? What skills should I develop to upgrade and to get the job? Number 7 is, why Python not Java? Okay dear. So these are the 7 FAQs actually that probably come in every mind. So let us discuss about these questions. Okay. Okay, are you okay with it? Okay, ma. Be comfortable while listening. Be active while listening. Okay. And before going to start this FAQs, I'll ask you some basic general questions. So, are you ready, ma? Okay. So please tell me that do you know about software programmer or developer? Who's these guys are actually? Do you have any knowledge regarding to them? Shall anybody can say please? No, nobody knows. Okay, Fehmeen is there. Fehmeen, she is my student in the earlier batch. So she's from Java. I think she knows Java very well. So I think she didn't join today. Okay, no worries. I'll tell you. Who is programmer and developer? Seema, here is the answer for yourself. 1. Who develops by using programming languages for business to be digitalization is called a software engineer or software developer. Means person who develop a kind of software to a business solution is called developer or programmer. They are responsible for designing, coding, testing and maintaining software applications. Okay, understood now? Who is a software developer? A person who develop a kind of software to a business solution is called a developer or programmer. They do what? They do the designing, they do codings, they do the testings of the programs and maintaining software applications. For example, you can say that web developer means who develop the website applications. Software engineer, who develop the softwares, like mobile app developer. For examples, in our daily basis of life, we'll see some examples like if you want to shop by sitting at your home, what you will do? You will open you will take your mobile and you will start shopping in the Amazon application or in the Flipkart application or in the Meesho. And if you are hungry and you want some food to eat, what you will do? You will order some food by using, very good, by using food delivery app. With the help of food delivery app, you can easily order the food by sitting in your home only. So these are the apps that developed by the software programmer or software developer. Okay, so software developer, what they will do, they will develop a software program with the help of programming. So right now we are talking about what? We are talking about Python programming language. After learning Python, you will also be called as what? Python programmer. Understood, ma? You will also call the Python programmer. Means a software which help in creating the business is called the software developer or software programmer. For example, if you are running a small store, nowadays every small store is having what? They are having some inventory programs in it. Means if you are going to DMart, if you want to shop something, so you will go what? You will go to the supermarkets, Big Bazaar or Reliance Mart or DMart. So there you will see what? You will see there the inventory program will be there. If you are buying anything, they will just check there and they will check the code bar there and they will make the bill of your products. So this is called what? This is the inventory program. Understood, ma? And if you are running any school, so a school is having a management program. What do you mean by management program? Management program means if anybody is running a school, they will have how many teachers they have in it. They will have the record of how many students are there, and they will have the record how many students are daily attending the schools. They will have the record how many students are paying the fees. They will have the records of how many students are attending the examinations. So this all records a school management have to maintain. So now they are making a management program. Understood? Now these programs are creating in the Python programming. Like for example, food delivery apps. I have given you just now the examples. If you want any food, then you can easily sit at home and you can easily order whatever you want. So these apps are developing in the programming languages like Python. Understood? You have to understood first what is the meaning of programmer or a software developer. Then you have to go with the examples. Do anybody have any doubts in this, ma? They can ask me, please. It means that a developer play a very important role in our daily life, because if we are getting some benefits from mobile applications like online shopping, it means it is very beneficial for us now, that you no need to go outside your house. Suppose if in a family there are having only women, no men are there, means they are having no brothers, only sisters are there. So what they can do, they can easily sit in the home and they can easily order the food. They can easily sit in the home and they can easily go with the online shopping, online carting. So इस तरीके से now it has become very easy for us to shop only by sitting at our homes. So ये सब काम कहाँ पर होते? All where it will happen, ma? It will happen in the programming, in the Python. Okay? Understood this thing? What is a programmer and what is a developer? Okay. What about others, ma? I think 20 students maybe approximately are there. So all 20 have to give me the answers. I hope. So, okay, ma. Okay. Don't hesitate, ma. If all are saying yes and if 1 or 2 students are not getting in their mind, then they can easily ask me, ma'am, please, I am having a doubt in this. Okay. So shall we carry on to our next slide? Okay, dear. Okay, dear. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. So, is any computer knowledge required to do Python? No. No prior computer knowledge is needed to start learning Python. Python is a very beginner friendly language. If you want to learn Python, then you can easily learn if you are new to computer. ओके माँ, अपने दिमाग से ये बात निकाल दीजिए कि हम कंप्यूटर से रिलेट नहीं है, हम नॉन आईटी फील्ड के हैं. यू कैन लर्न एंड यू विल लर्न पाइथन डेफिनेटली इन दिस 45 days. व्हाट इज द बेसिक data entry level Python is there, you will learn inshallah. No need to worry, I am with you. So basic of computer operation. If you know basic of computer, you can open the computer, you can off the laptop, you can minimize it, maximize it, you know how to install the software. That easy. That much is easy. Okay, that much is okay. No need to worry that you don't have any knowledge regarding to the IT field. Okay. So if you are learning Python, you are going to work as a software developer or software engineer in the market. Understood ma? आपका लेवल एक बढ़ जाता. You will be the थोड़ा आपका ग्रेड क्या होता, आपका ऊपर हो जाता. आप अगर ये कर लिया, अगर आप पाइथन सीख लिए, अगर आप AWS सीख लिए, तो you will be called as the software developer or the software engineer. And if you are learning this Python entry level course, you will be called as the entry level programmer. And this software engineer, you will get new identity in social and career wise. अगर आप ये सीख गए, तो आपका ये सीखना क्या होता, आपकी एक नई पहचान बन जाती सोशल और कैरियर वाइज. अंडरस्टूड मा? दिस इज वेरी यूजफुल इन वेरियस यूज केसेस. ये पाइथन का सीखना वेरियस यूज केसेस में बहुत फायदेमंद है. मीन्स कैसे, हाउ यू कैन से दैट इफ यू आर लर्निंग पाइथन, इट मीन्स दैट इट इज नॉट only for particular domain. You can use anywhere where you want. Means if you want to learn Python, then easily you can use this Python in the web development. If you want to develop any game application, then you can easily develop a game application. If you want to work with AI, then you can work with AI by using Python programming language. If you want to learn data science, and if you are from the Python background, it will be very easy for you to learn the data science. And you can create your own computer applications or mobile applications by learning the Python. Understood here? Up to here, is it clear for all of you, ma? Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. So now we'll see, is there a good salary and growth as Python programmer? Yes, it's a hot profession in global market. Whether if you are going abroad, if you're going UK, USA, Gulf, Singapore, so it is a very hot topic and you will get a good salary in lakhs. Whether in India, if you are going with this, you can get in 85k or 90k or 70k or 50k. But if you are working abroad, UK, USA or Gulf countries, then it will be a good for you. There will be a huge amount for you. It will be a good salary for you. Most of the domain demands AI, web applications, cloud, DevOps, security. Means if you are from the background of Python and you are working with this profession also, means if you know AI, if you know web applications, if you know cloud, means AWS, if you know DevOps. See ma, cloud is different and DevOps is different. If you are learning both, then it will be a very good to you. Likewise, one student said na, that she is from Shadan and she have already learned AWS and now she is learning DevOps and now she wants to learn Python. So it will be a very good chance for her to get a good salary in the market, inshallah. And if you know cyber security, then it will be a very good opportunity for you to learn Python, because hacking will be there in the cyber security. So if you are doing your programming in Python, then it will be क्या बोलते हैं उसको, सोने पे सुहागा बोलते ना, तो ऐसा हो जाएगा. अगर आप ये सब चीजें सीखने के बाद फिर पाइथन भी सीख रहे हैं आप, तो इट विल बी अ वेरी गुड फॉर यू. ओके, सो अभी हमारी क्या है, शुरुआत हो रही है अभी हमारी. तो इंशाल्लाह हम करेंगे शुरुआत, करते करते आगे जाएंगे, वहां तक जाएंगे ना इंशाल्लाह. अगर आप सबका सपोर्ट रहा तो हम इंशाल्लाह वो भी सीखेंगे इंशाल्लाह. है ना भाई इरादा, इंशाल्लाह जरूर. सो अगर आप ये सब चीजें सीखते हुए काम करें मार्केट में, तो बेस्ट इन द मार्केट है. समझ में आया? बेस्ट इन द मार्केट. एंड CTC cost to company per annum. अब यहाँ पर मुझे एक बात पूछना है. I want to ask you something, that what is the meaning of CTC? Do anybody knows ma? What is the meaning of CTC? Anybody? But I want to know this. What is the meaning of this CTC, cost to company? Cause yeah, I want to know what is the meaning of this cost to company, because some of our students are working in the companies now. So if you don't know, means it will be okay also. Don't feel something. CTC means cost to company means is the total money of a company spends on an employee. Okay, means it includes the salary, it includes bonus, it includes the benefits and other perks they offer. Okay, means they will give you the package of per annum. They'll say they will give the salary of 4 to 6 lakhs in package for per annum, but they will say what? They will say we will give you the accommodation, the facility of the accommodation. We will give you the service of the cab. No need to carry any vehicle from your side. We will give you this service also. So they will cut out. They will cut out the money there in the cab service. They will cut out the money in the accommodation, and जो कट कटा के सैलरी आपके हाथ में आती ना, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? CTC बोलते हैं. समझ में आया आपको? मीन्स आप अगर कोई कंपनी में काम कर रहे हैं तो आपको कोई क्या करते हैं? आपको कैब सर्विस देते, आपको खाना देते हैं आपको वहां पर. ठीक है, अगर आप बैंगलोर वगैरह में काम कर रहे हैं तो अकोमोडेशन भी मिलता है आपको वहां पर. तो ये जो कट कटा के सैलरी आपके इन हैंड आती, उसको बोलते हैं हम CTC. अंडरस्टूड मैम? CTC. Okay dear, fine, thank you. So if you are starting as a fresher, if you are joining the company starting as a fresher, then if you are having 3 to 5 years of experience, then they will give you 4 to 6 lakhs INR per annum. It means 33 to 55 lakhs, 33 to 55k per month. Then the salary will become for per annum, it will be 4 to 6 lakh approximately, I am saying. And if you are having 6 to 10 years of experience in the field, then they will give you 6 to 10 lakhs of package. Understood? It is clear to everyone, ma? Is there a good salary and growth as Python programmer? No doubt is there? If you are having any doubt, okay, great, alhamdulillah, great. So can any graduate can apply for this job? Yes, today's requirement process is not on degree based, rather skill based. In the earlier days, what will happen, ma? You have to carry your all certificates with you. All the requirement process will depend on the degree only. But now the completely changed. What the companies are saying, the skill based. Nowadays, getting job is not just about having a degree. Companies care more about what you can do and how well you can do it. Okay, then want to see your skills also, what you have done before and how good you are at solving real problems, and it's more about what you can bring to the table than just the piece of paper you have. Understood ना? Means डिग्री की कोई अहमियत नहीं है, आपकी स्किल्स देखी जाती कंपनी में, यानी कि आप कितना जानते हैं, आप पिछले अपने जो भी एक्सपीरियंस किया उसमें आपने क्या सीखा, आप प्रोग्राम को कैसा सॉल्व कर सकते. कंपनी ये चीजें देखती है, आपकी स्किल्स देखती कंपनी. सो एनी ग्रेजुएट कैन अप्लाई. ओके, अभी देखिए स्किल्स बहुत मायने रखती है हमारे लिए. हम इसीलिए बोलते हैं कि आप क्लास में एक्टिव रहना, क्लास में कम्युनिकेटिव रहना, अपने ट्रेनर से बात करना, आपको जो पूछा जा रहा उसके लिए बोलना. तो ऐसे बात करने से क्या होते, आपके कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स डेवलप्ड होते. ये नहीं कि आपको if you know only the fluent English, it doesn't mean that you are good in communication skills. Understood, ma? You have to be frequent. Means what you want to say, you have to explain it, and what you have experienced, you have to say it. So any graduate can apply. If you are having a skills very good, then you can apply for the job. Upgrade your communication, voice accent and technical skills. Why we are taking the class in the English, not in a Hindi? Because if you are going for the job, they'll ask you to communicate them with English only. If you are working in the Gulf countries, if you don't know Arabic language, then what will do? You will speak in English only, na? So if you don't know any language, then English is the international language in the world. You can speak easily. So you have to very well in the communication. You have to be well in the voice. You have to be well in your accent and in your technical skills. Means whatever the program that you are creating, you have to be so much creative that you can explain it. समझ में आया माँ? रट्टा मारना या किसी चीज़ को कॉपी पेस्ट कर लेना, ये कोई तरीका नहीं होता. आप उसको समझना, उसको समझ के लिखना, उसको क्रिएट करना, उसको फिर समझाने की सलाहियत रखना, ये होते आपके स्किल्स. अंडरस्टूड हियर? अभी देखिए, मोस्ट फेवरेट प्लेस IT इंडस्ट्री हब and accommodation, food cheapest only in Hyderabad. In India, there are so many states are there which are in the IT industries. But why Hyderabad only? Because if you are working in Hyderabad, you can get accommodation in a very cheapest way. If you are from the other state and if you want to stay here, then you can easily get the hotel rooms and you can easily get the 2 BHK 1 BHK flats in the very cheapest rent. And if you want to eat something, then it will be a very cheapest for you, only in Hyderabad I am saying. But whether if you are going for Hyderabad, except Hyderabad, if you are going to Bangalore, if you are going to Pune, Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore is also best, but there the accommodation and the food rate will be high in order to Hyderabad. Understood, ma? But if somebody wants to explore, then they can go for the Bangalore and Pune also. This is the best opportunity for themselves to the startups. And what is meant by MNC? Can anybody say me what is the meaning of MNC? MNC, you have, I think, very good, mashallah, multinational corporation or multinational company. So what these companies means, ma? What will they do? Do anybody have any idea? No? Very good. Your name, very good. Yeah, very good, ma. Who's your? May I know your name, please? Fareen, mashallah, Fareen. So these are the multinational corporation companies that operate in multiple countries around the world. They have business activities, offices in different countries and often have a global presence. Like we have now here also in our Hyderabad, we have what Google is there now, and Apple is there. So these are the MNCs companies. If anybody wants to go with it, then for the best startups they can go for Hyderabad, Bangalore and Pune, and they will pay you the good salaries there. Okay, so is it clear for all of you now? Now nobody cannot say that, ma'am, we are new to the computers. Okay, you can get jobs. If you are graduates, then you can get the good jobs, but you have to be very well in your skill based. Okay, dear, you have to be good in your communication skills. You have to be good in your accents. You have to be good in your voice. You have to be good in your technical skills. These are the skills that you are required for the job. Understood? Shall we move on to our next slides? Do anybody have any doubts? They can clear it here only. Shall we move? Okay. What about others? They are not giving the answers, dear. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Why am I this like this? Yes, ma'am. I think got tired. Python, because today is the first introduction of first class of related to the introduction, so it will be a little bit more for you. But while we are starting our practicals, you have to be attentive because Python is a very tricky. Okay, you have to be एक दिमाग अपना इधर ही रखना पड़ता पूरा, आपको इधर उधर नहीं, 1 घंटा अपने लिए निकालना पड़ता और इधर ही रखना पड़ता. ठीक है? So why only Python, not Java? This will be the questions come in every mind. Why, ma'am? Why you are saying only Python? Why not different languages? So I'll tell you one thing. Because I am having 2 students whose backgrounds are related to Java. They are the good trainers of Java. But after marriage, they get the very long gap in between. So they are tired in Java now. So they want to join again Python. That's why only Python, not Java, because in Java the coding is a very complicated. If you want to say one thing, if you want to say hello, you have to write 3 lines of coding in Java. Whether if you want to say hello in Python, only you have to write 1 line, just to say print hello. No need to write 4 lines of coding. That's why Python becoming too hot in market, because it's a very time consuming. It's a very easy language. Okay, so please give me a 1 minute. आयशा जल्दी से लैपटॉप का चार्जर लेके आओ भाग के। इधर लगा फ्रिज के पास। Okay, dear. Okay, ma'am. Thanks for your patience. So, why Python only? This questions comes in the 1 million word questions. Means every one in 1 million, every person will get this question in their minds. Why only Python, not Java? As Python is the easiest, faster development with less line of coding. Just now I have said you, na? If you want to say one thing, good morning, if you want to say good morning in Python, you have to write only one line of coding. No need to write 3 to 4 lines of coding. Whether if you want to say the same thing in Java and C++, you have to write 3 to 4 lines of coding there. Okay, that's why Python is very easiest, faster development with less lines of coding language. That's why all are now going in Python, not in Java or C++. And this is a good market share. Means if a person is running a business, what he will see, ma? He will see that the time has to consume there. Okay, and he will get more profit in the market. दो ही चीजें देखता अगर कोई शख्स देख रहा मार्केट में अपना बिजनेस चलाने के लिए, तो वो क्या देखता कि भाई टाइम को कैसा बचाना, कम टाइम में ज्यादा पैसे कैसे कमाना, यही देखते ना माँ। दो ही चीजें देखते हम, देखते ना। अगर आप या मैं भी कोई बिजनेस चला रहे हैं तो हम यही सोचते कि भाई हम कम टाइम में कैसे ज्यादा पैसे कमाना, हम ज्यादा से ज्यादा पैसे कैसे कमाना। तो पाइथन एक ऐसा जरिया हो गया आसानी का आपके लिए कि आप जो प्रोग्राम आप 1 साल में बना रहे हैं जावा में जाके, वही प्रोग्राम आप 5 से 6 महीने में क्या कर सकते हैं, आप आपके पाइथन में बना सकते हैं आराम से। अंडरस्टूड माँ? समझ में आ गया? That's why Python is the easiest, faster development with less line of coding. When we'll start our practicals now, that time I'll show you how it is possible. Understood? That's why Python become most demanded, because more use case, security and automation. Now here a word came for you. What is the use case of Python? Now you have to understood that I just want to share you something about the last word. Sorry. Okay, now I'm talking about the use case of Python. What is the use case of Python? For example, if anybody is learning cyber security, so cyber security में क्या होता है हमारा हैकिंग को रोकना रहता ना, हैक करने से, कोई अपनी चीज को हैक करने से रोकना रहता, उसके लिए क्या करते हैं हम, विल लर्न द साइबर सिक्योरिटी देयर. So in this cyber security, those who are learning cyber security, they also have to learn Python. Why? It's about the security, and Python have a very vast library in it, library and modules. And now you'll say, what is the meaning of library? See, in the school and colleges, we will see libraries there. So what this library will have, ma? It have the storage of knowledge of books. मीन्स अगर आपको कुछ चीज़ नहीं मालूम है आपको, तो आप क्या करते, लाइब्रेरी का रुख करते, लाइब्रेरी में जाते, वो चीज़ को ढूंढते, वहां से निकालते, इधर से देखते, उधर से देखते. तो पाइथन में भी क्या है, पाइथन में भी बहुत बड़ी लाइब्रेरी वो अपने अंदर लिए हुए है, और उसमें मॉड्यूल्स बने हुए हैं कई किस्म के, जिसको आप यूज करते हुए, while with the help of the modules and with the help of that library, you can create a secure program in Python. That's why there is more security in working with Python. And now what is the meaning of this automation? Then you can use for Python for automation also. Now see ma, if for example, if you are saying automation, the first word will come in your mind is AI. Is this? Do you know about AI ma? हाँ, Yeah, artificial intelligence. What is this artificial intelligence means? Means these are the AI that if you are saying for to the AI that hi, it will say you what? Hello. If you are saying how are you, it will say you what? I'm fine. How about you? So what is this? These are the programs that have been practiced for them, that have been stored in them. While these are the programs that created in the Python programming language. ये ऐसे प्रोग्राम्स है जो पाइथन में क्रिएट किए गए और उसको स्टोर कर दिया गया कि भाई अगर सामने वाला आपसे ये पूछे तो उसका ये जवाब दो. समझ में आया आपको? तो अभी देखिए, वन मोर एग्जाम्पल आई विल गिव यू. एलेक्सा, यू नो माय एलेक्सा, गूगल एलेक्सा. अभी देखिए हमारे पास ऐसे शॉपिंग एप्स में जहां पर हम अपनी शॉपिंग करते हैं, ऑनलाइन शॉपिग करते हैं, हम अमेजोन, फ्लिपकार्ट वगैरह पे, उस पर बताते हैं आपको कि भाई आप यूज लाइट्स के लिए, अगर आपको लाइट्स भी खोलना है तो आप क्या करते हैं, एलेक्सा को बोलते हैं, एलेक्सा प्लीज ओपन द लाइट. सो व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज द एआई, दिस इज द ऑटोमेशन. मीन्स एक प्रोग्राम है जो बना के उसमें स्टोर किया गया और उसको सिर्फ ऑर्डर देने पे क्या हो रहा है, वो प्रोग्राम एक्टिवेट हो जा रहा, वो रन हो जा रहा. तो ये सब काम कहाँ पर हो रहे हैं? ये सब काम हमारे प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस में हो रहे हैं. अंडरस्टूड मा? सो Python became the most demanded because there is more security in Python and it is the automation and it is faster than Java and very easier. आ गया समझ में? All have understood? What about Rajeshwari? Rajeshwari, are you understanding dear? Are you there, sisters? Rajeshwari and one more sister is there, na? So if you are not getting, please tell me, ma. So shall I move on to next slide? Shall I? Okay, sure. So what skills should I develop or what skills should I upgrade to get the job? The first skill that you have to develop is the communication skills. Means I have said my students, those who have get admitted in this course through myself, that I have said them from Monday to Friday the classes will be on the regular mode. Okay, but except Saturday will be taken by a supervisor, Mr. Akbar Mohammed sir, because he is having 15 plus experience in the IT field. So he will get trained, he will train you that what do you mean by communication skills and how the interview will be taken in the companies, what is the way of taking the interviews and how you can put your resumes on the websites. Though these all talks will be held on Saturdays. So if you are missing the Saturday class, means then you are missing the communication skill class. Okay dear, so be present on Saturdays, don't miss the Saturday class, because I have seen in my earlier batch 1, there are some students, they took easily for Saturday class. They'll not come, they'll say ma'am, we are having this function, I am busy on Saturdays, weekdays, like this. But don't say this, because if you are skipping this class now, so you will not upgrade yourself, you will demotivate yourself, because you will get more motivation on the Saturday class. Okay, so be punctual on Saturdays also, and be frank with sir also, he is your trainer. Yama, please. Especially I'll talk to sir and I'll tell him to take the classes on the online mode also, because I'm seeing more students that they are taking online classes. So we'll manage. I'll update you in the group, no worries dear, you will be not missed. Okay, and second, what you have to upgrade, you have to upgrade your technical demonstration skills. Means if you are writing any program, then you have the skills to demonstrate it, how you have written the program. You have to say, ma'am, I have written this program, I have written print and I am saying this, I am giving indentation, I am giving this space and I am giving this commas, and what are the syntax you have to say. So you have to rebuild the technical and demonstration skills. Understood, ma'am? I'll show you how to write the program, because now you are the new learners to the Python. So don't be worried, I am with you. Whenever you are getting any discomfort with the programming, I'll be there for you always. I'll show you how to write the program, and then by seeing me, you have to attain the same things, and you have to create your technical demonstration skills, because on Saturdays sir will ask you the questions what you have learned from your classes. So you have to be ready for that. Okay, that's why I'm saying if anybody is having any doubts, please let me clear their doubts. Okay, don't just say yes. If you are having, then I'm here for you. Don't hesitate. Okay, be frank with me because we are now a family members together. Understood here? After you are upgrading your communication skills and after upgrading your technical skills, now you are ready for your international certifications. What is this international certification means? Means if you are learning AWS, if you are completing your AWS entry-level program, then if you are interested to join more further for the AWS, then you have to attend the AWS advanced course will be there for you. Then if you are completed with your AWS advanced, then there will be an international certification. It means not the certification is from some institute, from some private institute or government institute. Okay, this will be your international certification. That means Amazon will give you this certificate. And if you are taking this international certificate and if you are going any of the Gulf countries or abroad countries, then it will be a very good for you to get the huge salaries there. Understood, ma? So now from now we are entering in our basic entry level course. Okay, dear? Now I want to say you something, that I just want to share you something about the last batch, what we have done. I have some feedback videos and photos with me, and I am very grateful to the students who attended very carefully and very hardworkingly. I said they did very good job. They are zero from their starting point, but I appreciate them because they are something now. I can say that now they became the entry level programmers. Now I can say that they became the AWS entry level software developer. And it's not only from my side, it's from both the sides. Means you cannot say that ma'am you done. No, I did anything. It's from the both side, and I do believe that they did really hard work, so that I want to share it with all of you, and I expect the double from your side. Understood, ma'am? I'm expecting the double from batch 1. What I have earned from the batch 1, I am expecting the double from the batch 2 now. So I hope you will do the same. You will do the double triple for me. Inshallah. You will do now? So are you ready, ma'am? So are you ready to become a programmer, or you are hesitating, or you are fearing that what is this programming it means? Are you ready? Do you want to be a programmer? Are you afraid of? Yes, of course. MashaAllah, great. What about others? Only one student is there. Yeah, 2 students. MashaAllah, great. All have to be courageous. Okay, don't be demotivate yourself. देखिए हम भी क्या है? I am now your trainer, but before becoming a trainer, I am also nothing. I am also is null, zero. Now I am become from zero to something. Now also I'll say that I am a student, not a trainer. I'll be ready for the learning something new in my life. So be ready, be courageous, be frank. Don't be hesitate. What the other person should say, don't think of other person. सिर्फ ये समझिए कि मैं हूँ और कोई भी नहीं है. समझ में आ रहा माँ? मैं हूँ और मेरे बाद कोई भी नहीं है. और whenever you are attending the class, you have to carry a notebook and a pen with you. You have to write the running notes with you. Understood माँ? Because जब तक आपका पेन नहीं चलेगा, आपका दिमाग भी नहीं चलेगा. इस एक पॉइंट को नोट कर लीजिए. जब आप कुछ चीज लिखते हैं अपने पेन से, वो चीजें जाके सीधा आपके दिमाग में स्टोर होती ना माँ? So be ready for that whenever I am saying anything, any point of view, because I'll share the notes in the group. But don't worry, don't depend on the notes. You have to be with your own. Okay, always be ready with your pen and with your book. So now I want to share you some feedback videos of my previous students. This is my Lakshmi. This is my beloved student. She is very hardworking. So please listen to her what she's saying. It's not audible for you? Okay dear. Okay dear, let me check once the voice will be. I'll raise the voice once. and from here also I'll check the sound. Yeah, the sound is better now. So once again I'll play it. Okay, ma? What do you want to say? Does anybody saying anything, ma? Hello? Okay, once I'll check once, please. Okay, it's not audible for you. The sound is okay here, dear. Not audible, not audible. Okay, dear. Okay, dear. Okay, dear. Why is this happening? Because in the morning it is easy. Let me check once. The voice is good here and from here also. Okay, if you are not getting it, then I'll play this video. Please listen to her. The same thing is happening here, ma. The same problem is with all of you. Okay, okay, you are okay, ma. Okay, 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 okay. एक मिनट आवाज क्यों नहीं आ रही? देखिए, अभी चेक करिए आप लोग. अभी भी वही हो रहा, माँ. आवाज नहीं आ रही किसी को? Okay, still not audible. Wait a minute. I'll disconnect this. Okay. Now, is it audible for all of you, ma? Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Now, you can listen to Lakshmi too, ma. So, these are the videos, ma, that I have shared with you with my previous batch, ma. And these are the photos, that we have clicked in the last days of our first batch. So we will do the same for this batch also. No worries. We'll also have it lunch with all of this lovely students. So we have done the lunch on the final exam, and we have clicked some photos with them. So do all have checked this? So now this is my last slide. Now what we are going to learn in Python, we are going to learn related to the backend and front end developers. What is the meaning of this backend and what is the meaning of this front end? Do anybody knows, ma? Very good, great. Who is this? May I know her name? Mashallah, Sabah. Very good here. Backend means what are the programs that you are writing, that you are creating in your backend. That means backend, in the backend it will come there from the data SQL and database SQL will be there. Okay, means whatever you are storing the data, it will be stored in the backend. So this will be called the backend. And what is the front end? Means front end, whatever you are seeing on your monitor, on your screens, is called the front end. Suppose if you are writing a program in Python, it means you are doing the work in the front end, not in the back. After completing the Python, you have to go with the database SQL. There you will do the work in your backend there. Understood, ma? So now you are working on the front end developers. And in Python, we will see programming with easy techniques. Simple techniques we will use there. How the program you will write will use some easy techniques, and I will show you there the programs in a very easy way. And what is the use case of what is the use case of keywords? A new word will be there for you. What is this keyword in Python? I'll show you what is the keywords, because Python, I already said you that Python have some inbuilt library in it. Okay, so in this library there are so many keywords are there. Like I have to say if is a keyword, if is a keyword, not is a keyword, print is a keyword. So like this, there approximately Python having 3000 and above keywords is there. So how you can use the keywords, where you can use these keywords, I will show you there. Suppose if I am writing a program by using a keyword print, simple print. Print means क्या बोलते हैं आप print को print करो बोलते हैं ना. तो एक print एक keyword है Python में. अगर आप प्रोग्राम लिखना चाह रहे हैं print keyword को यूज करते हुए, if you want to write the program by using the print keyword, what is the syntax should be there? Syntax means लिखने का तरीका. हर चीज का तरीका होता है. देखिए खाने का तरीका, there is a etiquette of eating, etiquettes of drinking the water, etiquettes of sleeping, etiquettes of going to the bathroom, everything. ओके आपकी एक लाइफ जो है ना पूरी एक फिरती कहां पर फिरती तौर तरीके के ऊपर, यानी कि हर चीज के तरीके हैं. तो इसी तरह पाइथन में भी क्या है कीवर्ड्स है लाइब्रेरीज में, उसके भी यूज केस के तरीके हैं. If I am writing the keyword print with the capital P, then Python will simply say you error. It will show you the error. It will tell you that it is not right. Please correct it. So that means the print keyword will be always written in the small lower case, in the small letter. Understood ना? कीवर्ड का यूज केस कैसा करना, मैं एक सिंपल सी एग्जांपल देके समझाइए आपको कि भाई अगर आप कीवर्ड प्रिंट को कैपिटल पी में लिख दे रहे हैं स्मॉल पी के बदले, तो क्या होता, आपका प्रोग्राम वहां पर रुक जाता, वहां पर आपको वो बताता कि यहाँ पर ये गलती हो रही, एरर शो करता. इट मीन्स के पाइथन में कुछ कीवर्ड्स ऐसे है, सम कीवर्ड्स आर देयर इन पाइथन विच have to be written in the lower case and which have to be written approximately so many keywords are there that have to be written in the lower case only. Only 4 to 3 keywords are there that should be written in the upper case. समझ में आ गई मैं बात? Understood this thing? And in Python we'll learn data types. Now what is this data type means? Means I'll tell you one thing. For example, I'll tell you integer. What is integer means? Means हम maths जब पढ़ते थे, when we'll study maths in our schools, we'll see what integers means. What is this integers? These are the whole numbers. इसको are called the integers. So Python में भी क्या है, कुछ data types, कुछ इसमें है अलग अलग. जैसे हमारे हाथ में 5 उंगलियां बराबर नहीं है, उसकी भी अलग अलग है ना एक दूसरे से. वो तो पाइथन में भी क्या है, डेटा टाइप्स है अलग तरह के. अब उसका यूज केस कहां पर करना वो हमारे ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. इट्स डिपेंड अपॉन अस where you will use the integers, where you will use the other data types. For example, I'll give you examples of two data types. The first is the integer and the second is the string. अब ये string क्या होता है भाई? String means a sequence of letters. Whether the letter should be in the alphabets, whether the letter should be in numbers, or whether the letter should be in the alphanumeric characters. Understood ना? चाहे तो स्ट्रिंग एक डेटा टाइप है जिसमें खाली अल्फाबेट्स होते, या तो उसमें सिर्फ नंबर्स होते, या तो उसमें अल्फान्यूमेरिक कैरेक्टर्स होते. जैसे a प्लस एक्स प्लस वाई इज इक्वल्स टू 7, ऐसा 1k 1b ऐसे इस तरीके से. ओके, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? स्ट्रिंग बोलते हैं. अपन आगे पढ़ेंगे स्ट्रिंग किसको बोलते हैं. जी 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 हाँ, डेटा टाइप्स में इंटीजर बोल के एक रहता. इंटीजर्स को हम न्यूमेरिकल नंबर्स ही बोलते हैं, हम होल नंबर्स बोलते हैं हम. तो इंटीजर्स भी क्या है? पाइथन का एक डेटा टाइप है. इंटीजर्स और आपका स्ट्रिंग और आपके सेट्स, टपल्स, ये पूरे आपके डेटा टाइप्स में आते हैं. हम पढ़ेंगे इंशाल्लाह इसको पूरा एक डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे हम, ठीक है ना. और फिर हम देखेंगे यूज केस. वेरिएबल्स क्या है पाइथन में? वेरिएबल्स किसको बोलते हैं मालूम है? सपोज इफ यू आर राइटिंग अ मैथ्स प्रोग्राम, मैथ्स आप कोई मैथ्स का कोई प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. इफ यू आर सॉल्विंग एनी प्रॉब्लम इन मैथ्स, देन यू राइट a is equals to 5, b is equals to 3, add a plus b. Okay, if you are saying a plus b, then what will be the answer, ma? I'm giving the value of a is equals to 5 and the value of b is equals to 3, and I'm saying a plus b. What will be the? Very good. The answer will be the 8. That means मैं a बोल के क्या बोल रही हूँ? वेरिएबल डिफाइन कर रही हूँ. इसको बोलते हैं हम वेरिएबल. वेरिएबल इज नथिंग बट एन एम्प्टी. हाँ, वेरिएबल्स इज नथिंग बट एन एम्प्टी कंटेनर्स. माँ, वेरिएबल्स कुछ नहीं है, सिर्फ कंटेनर्स है, खाली कंटेनर्स. देखिए, whenever we'll work in our kitchens ना, we'll see what there are so many containers of दाल, rice, sugars, teas, okay, कॉफी, इसके कंटेनर्स होते हैं हमारे पास. तो इसमें क्या करते हैं हम? एक खास जार में क्या करते हैं? आप शक्कर ही डालते. उसमें आप नमक नहीं डालेंगे अगली बार. डालते क्या आप? शक्कर के डब्बे में शक्कर ही डालते आप. टी के डब्बे में टी डालते आप. चावल के डब्बे में चावल ही कंटेन करते आप. ओके, सो वेरिएबल भी क्या है? हमारे ऐसे खाली कंटेनर्स है जिसमें हम क्या करते हैं? वैल्यूज को स्टोर करते. समझ में आया? इन द वेरिएबल विल स्टोर द वैल्यूज. सो ये वैल्यूज कहां पर स्टोर होती, कैसे स्टोर होती, इसका यूज केस कैसा होता, what will be the use case, I'll show you on that time. अभी अपन बात करेंगे इसके बारे में, तो आपका दिमाग में क्या हो जाता है? कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स हो जाते. ठीक है. So when you learn the module of variables, I'll show you that time. Okay. अब flow control. What is this flow control means? What is this loops and if clause is? For example, if you are going to sign in your Google account, what it will ask you, first it will ask you first to use the username, and it will ask you give the password. And if you are giving the correct password, it will tell you what you can easily sign in. Okay, it will not tell you anything. You can easily sign in now. If the password is correct, if the username is correct, then nothing will happen. You can easily move on to the next. But if you are giving the wrong password, what it will show? It will tell you try again, check the password, incorrect password, like this it will tell you na. Understood ma? Means if you are going to sign in again and again in your Google account and you are typing the incorrect password again and again, then it will again tell you correct password, incorrect password, incorrect password, incorrect password. ये क्या हो रहा है? ये चक्कर क्या है इनकरेक्ट पासवर्ड का? इसको बोलेंगे हम लूप्स. यानी कि ये घूमते रहता. जब तक आपका करेक्ट कंडीशन मैच नहीं होता, ये चलती रहती. आपको वो प्रोग्राम के अंदर जाना ही नहीं था, स्टॉप नहीं होता. तो लूप्स में क्या होता? हम कंडीशंस जब तक मीट नहीं हुई उसको घुमाते रहते. समझ में आ रहा? अभी घुमाना कैसा है मैं आपको बताती हूँ लूप्स पर. ओके, no need to be go in the depth of the loop now, because we are now just in our first class. Understood ना? सिर्फ एक सरसरी बता रही हूँ लूप्स किसको बोलते हैं, if clause किसको बोलते हैं. if means if is the logical conditions in What is this means? Logical conditions is something different. Means if you are having a fever, if you are suffering from fever now, what you will do? You will first go to the medical practitioner and you will say, I'm having this fever symptoms, so please give me a good tablet so that I can recover fast. Then after 2 days, again you are coming to the medical shop and you are saying that I am not getting well. What can I do? So now the medical person will tell you, go and check the doctor. What this became now? It becomes a condition. Means you are having fever and you are going to the medical shop. You are saying what? Give me the tablet of removing this fever, or give me the tablet of paracetamol so that I can eat it and I can recover soon. So he will tell you, if you are having fever, take paracetamol. Else you can consult to the doctor. If you are not recovering, he will say you else consult to the doctor. So this if and else became now the logical condition in Python. समझ में आया यहाँ? Do anybody have any doubts in this? They can ask me, please. If क्या है? इफ को पाइथन में बोलते हैं हम लॉजिकल कंडीशंस. अब ये लॉजिकल कंडीशंस क्या होते हैं माँ? मैं एक सिंपल सी मिसाल दी आपको कि भाई आप बोल रहे हैं अगर आप 18 साल के हुए तो आप वोट दे सकते. यू आर एलिजिबल टू वोट. इफ यू आर अबोव 18 यू आर एलिजिबल टू वोट. इफ यू आर अंडर 18 यू कैन नॉट एलिजिबल फॉर द वोटिंग. तो मैं इसका एक लिखने का तरीका होता. हम कैसा लिखते हैं मालूम इसको? इफ यू आर ग्रेटर देन 18 यू आर एलिजिबल टू वोट बोलते हैं हम. एल्स बुलाते हैं हम फिर. एल्स इफ यू आर अंडर 18 यू आर नॉट एलिजिबल फॉर वोट. तो इसको बोलते हैं हम लॉजिकल कंडीशंस. यानी कि आप यहाँ पर क्या कर रहे हैं? कंडीशंस लगा रहे हैं कि अगर आप 18 साल के हैं तो आप वोट दे सकते, अगर नहीं है तो नहीं दे सकते. तो ये क्या हो रहा है? ये कंडीशंस लग रहे हैं यहाँ पर. तो इसको बोलते हैं हम इफ क्लॉज या लॉजिकल कंडीशन. समझ में आ गया हमारा? ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड डियर? What about Rajeshwari and Srisha? Srisha are there now? Monica is also is there. You are getting it, ma? Okay, dear. Now in Python we'll see functions. What is this functions means? What is this modules? What are the libraries in Python? These we'll learn in a detailed way. Okay, ma? No need to discuss now because you will get conflicts in your mind. Because you will say Python is so easy. You are saying, ma'am, then what is this about the functions, modules, and libraries? No need to worry. These are very easy, very easy. Be attentive from your first class only, ma. Okay, be active from your first class. आपके लिए Python में most important is the keywords, the data types, the variables, the loops, if clause, functions, modules. These are very important parts. Don't miss a single class also. If you are suffering from pain, go with the evening class. Then if you are having some work in your evening, then go with the morning class. I'll share the notes in the group. No need to worry about that. But don't miss any class. If you are sick also, lay down on your bed and listen to the class simply. No worries. And those who are having very much sickness, then they can consult me. I'll explain them again. Okay, dear? I'll help them with the notes. And if they are having any doubts, then I'll again clear the doubts. Don't be worried because I'll be there for you again. And as I'm seeing the time is very less now to conclude our class, so you can ask me any questions if you are having in this session. Please carry on. If you're having any questions, please you can freely ask me. No need to worry, I'm here. Variable is the empty containers. The value will store in it. वेरिएबल क्या है मालूम है? सिर्फ एक कंटेनर की शक्ल है, बस कुछ नहीं है, खाली बॉक्सेस. जी मैम? No, whatever the value the programmer will give, it will be stored in that. Specific value store नहीं होती उसमें. नहीं, आप ये नहीं बोल सकते कि मैं उसमें यही स्टोर कर दी, ये नहीं. आप प्रोग्राम. हाँ हाँ. अच्छा, उस टाइम पे देखिए रन टाइम में एक होता रन टाइम, एक होता प्रोग्राम एंड होने के बाद टाइम. तो जब तक आप प्रोग्राम में है ना, जब तक आप प्रोग्राम बना रहे हैं, जब तक आप प्रोग्राम लिख रहे हैं, उस टाइम तक कुछ भी चेंजेस कर सकते हैं प्रोग्राम में, ठीक है. लेकिन एक प्रोग्राम बनने के बाद उसमें चेंजेस की कोई गुंजाइश ही नहीं होती. अब जो चीज जहां पर है उसको वहीं पर डालना पड़ता. समझना है क्या? यानी कि आप कोई एक प्रोग्राम लिख रहे हैं, अब आप क्या करें, एक प्रोग्राम में लिखे ए की वैल्यू क्या करें आप 10 लिख दिए, अब दूसरे प्रोग्राम में क्या करना चाह रहे हैं, उसकी वैल्यू चेंज करना चाह रहे हैं, तो आप कर सकते हैं। लेकिन जब प्रोग्राम बाहर निकल जाता, होके पूरा एग्जीक्यूट हो जाता आपका प्रोग्राम, कमांड से बाहर हो जाता, जब उसको नहीं कर सकते, बोलते ना एक मिसाल भी देते कुछ, हाथ से निकल जाने के बाद चीज वापस नहीं आती बोलते ना, तो इसका भी वैसे ही हाल है। तो पाइथन को सीखिए, अच्छी तरीके से सीखिए, दिमाग को खोल के सीखिए। थोड़ा क्या होता है मालूम है, पाइथन जब स्टार्टिंग में हम सीखते हैं ना, तो बच्चे इतने एंजॉय हो जाते हैं कि भाई मैम कोडिंग कर रहे हैं, कोडिंग कर रहे हैं। जब पाइथन थोड़ा थोड़ा आसानी से क्या होता है, थोड़ा ऊपर चढ़ते जाते हैं पहाड़ पे, तो फिर क्या होते हैं, एकदम से वर्क करते अपना टाइम पेंडिंग में डाल देते, अब करेंगे कल करेंगे। तो अपना काम जो है ना टाइम पे कंप्लीट कीजिए। जो भी आपको वर्क दिया जा रहा, अपने लिए 1 घंटा निकालिए, सिर्फ 1 घंटा, ठीक है। 1 घंटा निकालिए, आपको जो भी क्लास में पढ़ाया जाए, वॉट एवर द वर्क आई एम गिविंग यू इन द क्लास, द प्रैक्टिकल्स will do the same practicals in our homeworks, but you have to change the logic there. The concept will be same for you, but the logic will be changed from yourself. मीन्स अगर मैं दी आपको वेरिएबल की एग्जाम्पल, a इज इक्वल टू 10 दी, b इज इक्वल टू 5 दी और a प्लस b बोली, तो आप क्या करना है होमवर्क में, a की जगह पे आप c भी लिख सकते, अब 10 की जगह पे आप 12 भी लिख सकते। समझ में आ गया आपको? आप सिर्फ लॉजिक चेंज करना, कॉन्सेप्ट सेम रहता आपका। ऐसे ही कॉन्सेप्ट पे आपको 4-4 असाइनमेंट दूंगी मैं इंशाल्लाह, जब प्रैक्टिकल स्टार्ट होंगे ना हमारे। तो 1 घंटा निकालिए, मजा आता है आपको करने में प्रैक्टिकल्स, बहुत एंजॉय करते हैं आप इंशाल्लाह। और हम जो है ना मैक्स मैक्स नहीं करेंगे, डर जाना नहीं भाई, जो मैक्स बोल रहे हैं ना, आप बोलेंगे मैं मैम मैक्स आ गया यहाँ पर तो ए प्लस भी आ गया, तो डरने की बात ही नहीं है। हम हमारे डेली लाइफ में जो एग्जाम्पल्स हैं, हम उसी को लेके पाइथन में आगे बढ़ेंगे इंशाल्लाह। हम मैक्स में नहीं जाएंगे बिल्कुल भी, आप परेशान नहीं होना। इंशाल्लाह हम ऐसी चीजें लेंगे जो हम डेली लाइफ में हमारे देखते एग्जाम्पल, जैसे मैं अभी आपको बुखार की एग्जाम्पल दी, आपको वोटिंग की एग्जाम्पल दी, तो हम ऐसे एग्जाम्पल्स के लोग आगे बढ़ेंगे इंशाल्लाह पाइथन में, ठीक है। और जो भी वर्क मिल रहा है उसको टाइम पे कंप्लीट कीजिए, पीछे मत रखिए वर्क को, क्योंकि कल आपकी फिर एडब्ल्यूसी क्लास रहती, फिर आपको उसका वर्क और पड़ जाता आपको। ये वर्क और ये वर्क मिलके क्या होते हैं, आपके पहाड़ बन जाते। मैं देखी, I have seen so many students in my batch first, because we are having 50 plus students in my batch first, but while we are in the middle of the course, they are just leaving the course because they are getting demotivation, because एक क्या होता, एक काम करते वो लोग, हाँ करेंगे बोलते, कल करेंगे बोलते, वो छोड़ देते। फिर क्या होते मालूम है, अरे वो मैम हमारे से 2 क्लास मिस हो गए, हमारे से 4 क्लास मिस हो गए, अभी नहीं समझ में आ रहा मैम, हालांकि उनको वर्क देने के बाद भी उनको समझ में नहीं आता। फिर तो ऐसे डिमोटिवेट नहीं होना, आप लोग पेमेंट कर रहे हैं, आप लोग फीस दे रहे हैं, तो आप लोग उसको पूरा निचोड़ देना, कोर्स को पूरा निचोड़ देना, कितना है हम पूरा सीख के जाते बोल के बोलना, एक भी चीज मिस होने नहीं देना। समझ में आ रहा? जो कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा 10 बार पूछिए ग्रुप में, शर्माइए मत, जितने बार पूछते उतने बार पूछिए, मैं थकूंगी नहीं आपको बताने में, आप भी नहीं थकना मेरे को पूछना, ठीक है। और फोन क्या बोलते हैं दूसरों के, दूसरे पर्सन के बारे में नहीं सोच, ठीक है, हमेशा पॉजिटिव सोच के चलिए। जी माँ बोलिए। अच्छा, बैक एंड एंड फ्रंट एंड, व्हाट इज दिस मीन्स बैक एंड में क्या होता है मालूम है, जैसे अमेजोन, अमेजोन है ना हमारे, अमेजोन फ्लिपकार्ट, ये क्या करते मालूम है, इसमें क्या होता है मालूम है, डेली बेस में मिलियंस में जो है ना लोग क्या करते हैं, इसमें जाते हैं और शॉपिंग करते हैं, सब स्टार्टिंग करते रहते हैं, शॉपिंग करते रहते हैं, अमेजोन पे जाके, फ्लिपकार्ट पे जाके। इंडिया की पॉपुलेशन इतनी ज्यादा है, तो उसके लिहाज से 1-2 मिलियन तो रोजाना अमेजोन पे जाके ना चेक करते हैं। अभी तो ऑफर्स चल रहे हैं, न्यू ईयर ऑफर्स चल रहे हैं, तो इन सब का डेटा जो ये शॉप कर रहे हैं, कहाँ जाके स्टोर हो रहा, क्योंकि अगर आप 2 महीने पहले शॉपिंग करिए अमेजोन पे, और आप फिर 6 महीने के बाद जाके आपका अमेजोन खोल रही, तो आपके अमेजोन पे उन्हें बताता कि आप ये डेट पे ये शॉपिंग करें, ये कार्ट में ये चीजें खरीदी है, तो ये सब डेटा जाके कहाँ स्टोर हो रहा माँ, ये सब डेटा जाके हमारा बैकएंड में स्टोर हो रहा, जिसको बोलते हैं हम डेटाबेस, एसक्यूएल, स्ट्रक्चर्ड क्वेरी लैंग्वेज। आप जब पाइथन पढ़ लेंगे ना, तो इंशाल्लाह हमारा पूरा इरादा है कि आपको एसक्यूएल के बारे में भी हम इस कोर्स में कुछ हिंट्स दे सकें, क्योंकि लास्ट बैच में हम लोग नहीं करे थे, लेकिन इंशाल्लाह इस बैच में आपको कुछ हम पढ़ा सके एसक्यूएल के बारे में। फिर आप क्या कर सकते हैं, इसके बाद आप एसक्यूएल भी सीख सकते। तो बड़े बड़े कंपनीज का डेटा जो है ना, वो कहाँ जाके स्टोर होता, वो बैकएंड में जाके स्टोर होता, पीछे जाके स्टोर होता, मतलब बहुत बड़े सॉफ्टवेयर जिसको हम बोलते हैं डेटाबेस एसक्यूएल, ठीक है। और फ्रंट एंड, यानी कि फ्रंट एंड किसको बोलते हैं बोले तो, फ्रंट एंड बोलते हैं हम जो काम हम सामने कर रहे हैं। जैसे कि आप पाइथन में एक प्रोग्राम लिख रहे हैं आपके मॉनिटर पे, आप बोले हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग, हाउ आर यू स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी आर लर्निंग पाइथन, दिस इज अ फर्स्ट क्लास ऑफ पाइथन। तो ये सब आप टाइप करें, ये सब टाइपिंग कहाँ दिख रही है? स्क्रीन दिख रही है आपकी। तो ये क्या हो गया, हमारा फ्रंट एंड वाला काम हो गया, यानी कि जो आपकी स्क्रीन पे शो हो रहा है ये हो गया आपका फ्रंट एंड वाला काम। तो आपके बैक यानी कि जो आपके स्क्रीन के अंदर पीछे जो प्रोग्रामिंग हो रही है उसको बोलते हैं हम बैक एंड। आ गया समझ में? भैया क्या मीन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। और किसी को कुछ पूछना है माँ? बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं माँ, बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं। हाँ, हाँ, साइमल्टेनियसली चलते हम, हमारा रखने का तरीका ये है क्योंकि हम लेडीज है, हम कुछ काम से बिजी हो जाते, कुछ हाउसवाइफ्स भी है, बच्चे भी है, कुछ जॉब करने वाले वर्क्स है, तो बिल्कुल अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह पूरी सहूलतें देखिए आपको। आप स्किप भी कर सकते क्लासेस। आप आप जो है ना, मैंने क्या किया बोले तो, पहले हमारे फर्स्ट बैच में हमने दो ग्रुप्स बनाए थे, एक हमारा आफ्टरनून वाला ग्रुप था, एक हमारा मॉर्निंग वाला ग्रुप था। लेकिन अब मैं क्या करी, आपको सिर्फ एक ही ग्रुप रखी, क्योंकि क्या हो रहा मालूम है, अब हमारे पास क्या होते, बच्चियां प्रोग्राम जब करते तो मॉर्निंग के बच्चियों को सिर्फ मॉर्निंग का प्रोग्राम आता दिखता, मतलब, और आफ्टरनून के बच्चों को क्या होते, सिर्फ आफ्टरनून क्यों ना जो करे वही दिखते, इनका प्रोग्राम उनको नहीं दिखता और इनका प्रोग्राम इनको नहीं दिखता। तो प्रोग्राम दिखाने की वजह क्या है माँ? प्रोग्राम दिखाने की वजह ये है कि भाई मैं चाह रही हूँ कि आपको आइडिया मिलना, आपको हिंट मिलना, कि आपको न्यू न्यू आइडियाज क्रिएट हो जाए आपके दिमाग में कि भाई हाँ इन्हों ऐसा करे प्रोग्राम, अच्छा ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं प्रोग्राम को, अच्छा इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते क्या। तो हर एक में एक खूबी है ना हमारे अंदर, तो हर किसी की सोच अलग होती दूसरे से, और हर कोई क्रिएटिव माइंड होते, और स्पेशली लेडीज बहुत क्रिएटिव होते, क्योंकि खाने के डिशेस भी बनाते तो ऐसा क्रिएटिविटी से करते। तो ये तो पाइथन का प्रोग्राम है, इसको तो और खूबसूरत करना पड़ता। तो मैं चाह रही हूँ कि आपके प्रोग्राम्स आपके फ्रेंड्स को भी शो होना, तो मैं एक ही ग्रुप बनाऊंगी आपका इंशाल्लाह, और वॉट एवर यू आर लर्निंग इन दिस class, the work will be sent in this group only. But I'll make afterwards, I'll make assignment group there, and whatever the assignment I'll give you, you have to share your all assignment in that group. Okay. So link एक ही रहेगी आपको, आप मॉर्निंग में भी सेम लिंक से ज्वाइन हो सकते हैं, आप इवनिंग में भी सेम लिंक से ज्वाइन हो सकते हैं। Okay? आप यही लिंक से परसों भी ज्वाइन हो सकते हैं, उसके बाद भी ज्वाइन हो सकते हैं, बार बार, ठीक है ना। लिंक चेंज नहीं होगी, अगर किसी वजह से लिंक चेंज हो रही तो मैं आपको अपडेट कर दूंगी इंशाल्लाह, बेफिक्र रहिएगा। ठीक है, या वेलकम माँ। और किसी को कुछ पूछना है डियर? मॉर्निंग में टाइम रहेगा आपका 10 to 12 PM। मॉर्निंग में थोड़ा हाफ एन आवर ज्यादा है टाइम। ओके। और अगर किसी को मॉर्निंग के बैच में जब प्रैक्टिकल स्टार्ट हो गए कुछ समझ में नहीं आया, तो वो इवनिंग में भी ज्वाइन हो सकते। ओके, नो वरीज। ओके डियर। 7 to इवनिंग में टाइम है हमारा 7 to 8:30, और मॉर्निंग में टाइम है हमारा 10 to 12 PM। ओके, सो ड्यूरेशन देखिए माँ, मैं आपको पूरे दावे के साथ बोलती हूँ कि इंशाल्लाह हमारा ये कोर्स फरवरी के मंथ में एंड होगा, इंशाल्लाह रमजान से पहले पहले एंड हो जाएगा इंशाल्लाह। ओके, इंशाल्लाह हो जाएगा, आप लोग का सपोर्ट रहा हमारे साथ तो इंशाल्लाह हो जाएगा बिल्कुल। लेकिन आपको हमारे साथ साथ हमारा साथ देना पड़ता है हर चीज में, यानी कि हम आपको कोई काम दे रहे हैं तो आपको करना पड़ता है वो काम। और वट एवर यू आर लर्निंग इन दिस क्लास माँ, आई आस्क यू इन द डे आफ्टर टुमारो क्लास। Okay, so be attentive. Already I have shared the notes. Whatever I have taken in the morning batch, I have shared the notes in the group. Please refer to that, ma. And I have shared some rules and regulations regarding to the training group. You have to be follow for them. Okay, dear. एंड अभी मैं 8:35 हो रहे हैं, मैं कंक्लूड करती हूँ मेरा सेशन, इसके बाद मैं ग्रुप में अटेंडेंस डाल दूंगी, तो प्लीज आप अपनी अटेंडेंस डाल दीजिएगा। और आपका फाइनल रिजल्ट डिपेंड करता आप ही पर, द फाइनल रिजल्ट विल डिपेंड ओनली ऑन यू, हाउ एक्टिव यू आर इन द क्लास, हाउ you are communicative with your trainer, how you are punctual in the class, this all will see ma, and then will give the certificates for you. Okay, so be ready, be there in every session, be communicative, and be free friend. Okay, dear? Do anybody have any questions? किसी को कुछ पूछना है माँ? सॉफ्टवेयर के रिलेटेड किसी का कुछ क्वेश्चन था, शायद कुछ पूछना है क्या? Okay, dear. So because it is a evening, ma, and we are all the women, we are the working women and the housewives. We all have children, so that's why it is a half an hour less in the evening. बट आप कुछ भी मिस नहीं करते, आप कुछ मिस नहीं करते। अगर हमारी क्लास कुछ बढ़ भी गई, मतलब अगर आपका कुछ मिस भी हो रहा तो हम एक 15 मिनट्स और एक्स्ट्रा लेके आपकी क्लास खत्म कर देते, लेकिन इंशाल्लाह आपको बराबर में रख के चलेंगे हम दोनों क्लासेस को हमारे इंशाल्लाह, ताकि हमारे स्टूडेंट्स में भी बैलेंस। No, 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 no worries, Ma. You can tell me, you can share your thoughts with me because now I have said now we are a family members. So you can share, no worries. And is everything fine now? All have understood? I hope so. Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much, Ma. So in our next class, we'll start a technical point and we'll give notes there. So you have to do work daily and send your screenshots in the group. और मैं स्क्रीनशॉट्स का खत्म कर देती हूँ ग्रुप में, क्योंकि आप जो भी काम करते हैं ना आपको मोबाइल पकड़ के बैठना पड़ता है फिर स्क्रीनशॉट के लिए। तो मैं आपको एक स्निपिंग टूल बताती हूँ, आप लोग रेडी रहना नेक्स्ट क्लासेस में जब हम प्रैक्टिकल स्टार्ट करेंगे ना। हमारे लैपटॉप में एक स्निपिंग टूल छुपे हुआ रहता है जो हम आपको नहीं मालूम रहता, हम उसके जरिए से काम करना शुरू करेंगे पाइथन में, ठीक है। So now today I conclude my session here. So do you have any questions for me? Please raise and I will approve you. And if you are not having any questions, then thank you for joining us. Jazakallah. It's very much wonderful to see you all on time. Keep up to the last. I hope so, dear. So Jazakallah, and once again thank you for coming. Thank you for joining this course. We'll meet after the day after tomorrow class. Best of luck for your AWS class for tomorrow. Okay? You're welcome, dear. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now, please give the attendance in the group, dear. Okay? Thank you, Farah, Faria, Fareen, Monica, Sana, Tabassum, Rajeshwari, and Sarah, Sayyid Yusuf, Sana Mariam, Sabah Tabassum, Ruhi, and Habiba. Now you can leave, ma. Now you can leave the class. Please remember me in your class, in your prayers. Nargis, you can also leave here. Thank you so much for joining the class. Thanks a lot.